Hey y'all, welcome to RNEWBBQ. I'm Richard. Glad you could join me today. I want to first off thanks Islas Familia Barbecue for sending me this hat. It actually fits my big old head, seeing as I need an extra large cap, and those are hard to come by in the fitted cap world. But hey, he got one for me, so thanks again. Right now, Dr. Tastes Good, he put out a call to a lot of creators to do hashtag Doctoberfest. So I'm joining in. So today, we're doing beer brats with Kraut for hashtag Doctoberfest. So let's go ahead and get started. We're all done. Definitely got a very beer and sauerkraut flavor coming off of it. Go ahead and pull out one of them. Get some of the fixins. There we go. All right, time for taste test. That beer and the sauerkraut definitely leaves a unique flavor on the meat. Not something that appeals to me, but could appeal to you. So, something you like to try, go ahead and follow the recipe and give it a shot. So if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.